What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins, you name it. As long as there's potential there, we're gonna be checking it out on the channel, because you just never know with these projects. And in this video, I just recently came across LS coin or LS trade, and we're gonna dive deep into the project and see what this project is all about. But before we go into any further, guys, always remember I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. So LS Trade is a predict to earn platform, which is a new style of trading. It is completely decentralized with no third-party control. You don't have to worry about, third parties, worried about, some company stepping in and ruining your trades. You don't have to worry about any of that. It is very simple. Trading is now easier than ever and very transparent, which is complete openness, right? 3 products forming the LS Trade ecosystem: the long short X, the LS coin itself, and burn to earn. Now I like this because I love deflationary projects, right? Long short meaning it has leverage as well. Predict to earn, I'm thinking it means like it will be more AI driven trading, AI driven trading, where like you put it into the AI and see what results you get before you make your trades. They also have a wallet right here that I just noticed on the right saying download 3S wallet. So it has lending and borrowing, NFT, shopping, trading tool, GameFi, SocialFi, and you can cash out to fiat. So it has an on and off ramp right here as well. They have Chainlink as an investor, 1Bit Ventures, Gotbit, and VeryChains. Okay, so they have a venture capitalist for and 3S wallet for the project, so that's pretty good. They have investors, so that is something bullish, because that means they have at least a little bit of backing to maintain that legitimacy for the project, right? And then we have the tokenomics breakdown right here. So we have 100 million supply. I love small supply projects. So 100 million total. Earning is 98%. So majority of the tokens are for the community. Okay, that's what the majority of the tokens are for. That is bullish. So there's not a lot of tokens that went to the team and the advisor. There's none of that. 98% is for the community and people that are buying the project. Man, that is very bullish. And they have a vesting schedule as well for the project. And let's take a look at the Twitter. 30,000 followers on Twitter. Some people that I follow that follow the project as well. They listed on Mexi. Okay, anytime a project is listed on an exchange, it has a lot more liquidity. Won't just go to zero on you like a meme coin that is still on the DEX and never got to a CEX, right? So that is very bullish for LS Trade to get listed on Mexi. Now I'm even more bullish on the project. We can see right here they had a recent partnership with Follow in Vietnam. I'm sure they'll have more potential. They'll have more potential exchange listings, partnerships in the future. Someone was trading the project, Bitcoin Buddha, who's already up 450% in profits from the project. I'm gonna give this person a follow, why not? And yeah, man, they have bought it at a right time, but it's still pretty early, because I checked the market cap recently. Still a very low market cap. And see, like we see right here, making moves on Mexi Global. Let me see, go back to the let me go back to Dex Tools and show you guys the market cap, because who knows what could happen. I pulled up the project because I was interested in, let me just type in LS and see. Yeah, right here we go. So yeah, $3.58 million in market cap. Chart looks very interesting. Obviously it had its move up, maybe corrects a bit more than continues up further, but this is a very bullish chart. It didn't just launch, fall off, and then that was it. It launched, Had his retrace back down after it got on the decks sideways. Nice move up, came back down, looking like it's gonna make another leg up from here. You just never know though, but the potential for that is you know, it's possible, right? So yeah, as far as LS trade goes, looks very bullish in my opinion, and the Mexi global listings even more bullish, the partnerships even more bullish. If you hold LS trade or LS coin, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything LS trade will be down in the description, as well as everything for myself. If you are a project that wants to, you know, collab, partner, you know, do sponsor videos, reach out in my email. And if you just want to reach out, feel free to do so. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, if you hold LS, and let me know what other projects I should check out, guys, down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.